seat thriller. What an ending to this tantalizing finale. India have won the Champions Trophy. Men in blue are the champions. We have avenged the 2019 heartbreak. It is a fantabulous victory. We fought till the end and won. Look at the images that are coming in from the match. In case you're watching Times Now, let me describe it for you. Ecstatic crowd in Dubai and of course all over the country. You can see Team India there rejoicing. This very, very well-deserved victory. Champions Trophy is ours. We have avenged the 2019 heartbreak. New Zealand has been defeated and India have won 2025 Champions Trophy. This is the second ICC title for Rohit Sharma under his captaincy. A lot of questions answered there, a lot of doubters silenced for a while now. I have got my colleagues from across the country who are going to join me in these celebrations. We've got Shivam, who's live from Delhi. We have Adib, who's live from Lucknow. Arunil from Mumbai. Arpita is going to be joining us from Trivandrum. Pavit is in Mohali and Karishma is at the Dubai Stadium. She has been tracking all the developments from the match on the pitch and off the pitch. But Arunil, coming to you first, why the crowds must be? Right, I'm sure the volume must be quite high. As they say, the josh is high. Arunil, if you can hear me, take us through the sentiments of the crowd.
So basically at present, jubilant scenes in Mumbai. You can see all fans are extremely elated about this victory. After 12 long years, India basically has won an ICC ODI tournament. This is after 2014 when the Champions Trophy was won under the leadership of MS Dhoni. So how happy you are? How special is it?
Very happy. This is the third time India is winning Championship Trophy. I am very, very happy, excited.
I'll show you the scenes that out inside this restaurant as well. Everybody is celebrating. We'll speak to the fans as well. कितने खुश हो आप इस victory से?
बहुत ज़्यादा चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी हमारी है.
रोहित शर्मा विराट कोहली के लिए क्या कहना है आपको?
लाजवाब. हमारे रोहित शर्मा ने तो आज
jubilant scenes inside this restaurant as well. Fans are elated about this victory. The way KL Rahul basically maintained his composure, maintained his nerve. That also is notable. That needs to be spoken about. But now it is party time across India. This is the second consecutive big victory for Team
Yes.
India.
Going across to Pavit now. She is in Mohali. Pavit, bhangra paya ki nahi?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Thank you so much रोहित शर्मा. Thank you so much Team India. We love you so much. बहुत excited है हम. बहुत लोग सब लोग बहुत excited है. यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा माहौल है इस टाइम.
किस तरीके का महसूस हो रहा है? इंडिया फाइनली चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीत
बहुत हो रहा है मैम. 2023 का वर्ल्ड कप जो हार गए उसका बदला लिया हम लोग ने. बहुत बढ़िया. इंडिया जीत गए हैं. और ग्रेटफुल ऑल ऑफ ऑल इंडियन फॉर वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग.
Hear you, Pavit, but we can all understand the excitement. The dhols are playing in your background. People can barely control their emotions, and we are getting reactions and compliments coming in from the topmost echelons. Now, Narendra Modi, Prime Minister and an avid cricket fan, has put out a post on social media, and I quote, "An exceptional game and an exceptional result. Proud of our cricket team for bringing home the ICC Champions Trophy. They have played wonderfully through the tournament. Congratulations to our team for the splendid splendid all-round display. Then there is also Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who has tweeted, and I quote, "A victory that scripts history." Of course, third Champions Trophy title for Team India coming in there. He goes on to say, and I quote, "Congratulations to Team India on clinching a stunning victory. Your fiery energy and unassailable dominance on the pitch made the nation proud, setting a new benchmark for cricketing excellence. May you always come off with flying colours." My colleague Shivam is in Delhi. Show us the colours of Delhi, Shivam.
Well, Priya, if I tell you the mahal of this place is energetic, it would be an understatement, because you see people here cheering for Team India, being happy because this is not just the win for those 11 people. This is the win. This is the result of the patience, of the wait of 1.4 billion people who have seen us in 2015 semi-final, who have seen us in 2019 semi-final, in 2017 final. But finally, we are with the fans and who others. Sir, बहुत अप डाउन आए मैच में, बहुत चीजें हुई. कैसा लग रहा है फाइनली 12 साल बाद आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी इंडिया?
दोबारा से व्हाइट कोट पहन के जो एहसास होगा ना, वह बता नहीं सकता. हम सब बहुत खुश है, पूरा इंडिया खुश है. पूरा इंडिया खुश है. पूरा इंडिया खुश है.
सर, टर्निंग मोमेंट क्या था? टर्निंग मोमेंट क्या था?
भाई, शॉर्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स राइट नाउ. शॉर्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स. इंडिया.
All right. India is what every heart in India is chanting right now, and so are the fans in Dubai, Karishma.
Well, yes, absolutely. Priya, this has been a win for India, and it's of course been a landmark win for India, winning the Champions Trophy 2025. 12 years later, India is a champion again as far as Champions Trophy is concerned. So obviously a huge moment this for Indian cricket, and we are of course waiting for fans to come out of the stadium
Yes.
as well. But many of them would be waiting to see, the captain, the post.
Karishma, who do you think is going to be man of the match today?
To understand. Well, it'll be very interesting to see who is going to be the man of the match. We have had some good innings in chasing as well, but it would be fitting if Rohit Sharma was the man of the match, because his innings was a very classy one. Of course, he missed out on a century.
Yes.
But one can only hope that he is the man of the match.
Right, and Rohit Sharma's figures have been getting a lot of attention. So with today's victory, Rohit Sharma has become one of the Indian captains who has taken Team India to the finals of all the ICC events. And if I could quote Shama Mohammed, who was the one who had actually raised question marks on his performance earlier, she has put out a tweet, and I quote, "Congratulations to Team India for this stupendous performance in winning the Champions Trophy. Hats off to Captain I am Ro 45. She's tagging Rohit Sharma's handle, who led them from the front with a brilliant 76, setting the tone for victory. She also goes on to Lord Shreyas Iyer and KL Rahul. But finally, as always, it is the performance on field that silences all the critics. And